My Car. Author Pulu. Hi, I'm Kedi. I'm 7 years old. And I have a car. It is a lovely and long car. Papa made it for my birthday. I love my car. And I love to drive it all day long. Vroom! Here I go. Vroom! There I go. Vroom! I go everywhere. I visit my relatives driving my car. And in school, my friends want my car. I love my grandma. And she loves to see me drive. With my car, I can go around and around my house. With my car, I can go around the earth. I can go around the sun, the moon, and the stars. My little brother loves riding my car. My mother tells us not to do so. But do we care? No! Oh no! Crash! Now here I am, without my car, and my brother without his tooth. But we still go vroom, with my brother on my back.
Hãy đăng ký và bấm chuông để nhận những video mới nhất từ Kiwi. Đừng quên like và share để mọi người cùng nhau học tập nhé.